everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to tackle a common household issue, removing hard water stains and soap scum from glass shower doors. If you've been struggling with those awful stains and buildup, don't worry, I've got a simple, effective method to make your shower doors sparkle again. Here's how we're gonna do it. 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's get all our cleaning supplies together. Here's what you'll need. White vinegar. This is a powerhouse for breaking down hard water stains, and soap scum. Its acidic nature helps dissolve mineral deposits. Dish soap, this will help cut through grease and soap scum, making it easier to clean the glass. Rubbing alcohol, this helps with drying and streak-free results, while also dissolving any remaining residue too. Prepare your cleaning solution. Now let's make our cleaning solution in a spray bottle mix. 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of dish soap, 1 small squirt of rubbing alcohol. Shake the bottle well to mix. This combination will help tackle both the stains and soap scum effectively. If you find the solution too strong or too mild, you can adjust the vinegar and dish soap quantities to suit your needs. For extra cleaning power, you can add a small amount of rubbing alcohol directly to the solution or use it separately in the cleaning process. 3. Apply the solution. Spray the vinegar solution generously onto the glass doors. Make sure to cover all the stained areas thoroughly. Don't be shy. Apply a good amount. Let the solution sit for about 10-30 minutes. This waiting period allows the vinegar and dish soap to break down stains and soften the soap scum. For particularly tough stains, letting the solution sit a little longer can help loosen the grime even more. 4. Scrub away. Once the solution has had time to work its magic, it's time to tackle the stains. Use a soft cloth or sponge to scrub the glass in gentle circular motions. The dish soap will help lift away the grime, and the vinegar will dissolve the mineral deposits. Be careful not to press too hard. The goal is to clean without scratching. For stubborn stains, apply a bit more solution and give it some extra scrubbing. If the stains are particularly persistent, consider applying a paste of vinegar and dish soap directly to the stains for a few minutes before scrubbing. 5. Rinse and wipe after scrubbing. It's time to rinse off all the residue. Use warm water to rinse the glass thoroughly, ensuring all the vinegar and dish soap are washed away. You can use your shower head or a cup to pour water over the door. Once rinsed, just use a clean cloth or squeegee to wipe off any excess water and solution. This step helps remove any remaining residue and prevents streaks. A squeegee is particularly useful in preventing water spots and keeping your glass looking clear and bright. 6. Apply rubbing alcohol to ensure a streak-free finish. You can use rubbing alcohol. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to a clean cloth and wipe down the glass. This step helps with drying and leaves the glass looking spotless. Rubbing alcohol evaporates quickly, which helps prevent streaks and ensures a shiny finish. It's a great finishing touch to achieve that professional clean look. 7. Check for residual stains. After rinsing and drying, take a close look at the glass. If you still see some stains or soap scum, don't worry, simply repeat the cleaning process as needed. For particularly stubborn spots, you might need to apply more of the vinegar solution and give them an extra scrub. Sometimes a second round of cleaning is all it takes to get everything spotless. Patience and persistence are key here, and don't hesitate to adjust the amount of cleaning solution or scrubbing effort based on how tough the stains are. 8. Prevent future buildup. Now that your glass shower doors are sparkling clean, let's talk about prevention. To keep them looking their best, try to wipe them down after each use. This doesn't have to be a thorough clean, just a quick pass with a cloth or squeegee can do wonders to prevent soap scum and hard water stains from building up. Again, regular maintenance will save you time and effort in the long run, and your shower doors will stay looking great with minimal effort. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily tackle hard water stains and soap scum on your glass shower doors and keep them looking pristine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.